I'm here anywhere in your home.
Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeSmart Speical Event 2022. This is Danny Dong, the founder and the CEO of LifeSmart. I'm so excited to share with you guys our progress we have been made last year. Compared with previous year, LifeSmart business has been doubled despite the global pandemic. I'm so excited today to share with you guys our progress we have been made in last year. In last year, we also finished the Series C funding from the New World China and as well as Stage Group. New World China is one of the largest real estate developers in Hong Kong, and they have a lot of the new apartment building in mainland China as well. In the next few years, we're going to support smart home solutions for New World China to help them to provide smart home ready products in China and Hong Kong. Stage Group is one of the leading companies who provided energy management chipset. As everyone knows, last year we have experienced a global shortage of the chipset. We're trying everything we can to provide our customers with the best products in time with quality. So we need the support from our chipset vendors. With the funding support and also with customer support, with the vendor support, we are able to focus on the products we are developed, focus on the services we are developed to provide our customers with the best products and services in time with quality. Last year is also a year for recognition in the design sector. LifeSmart won 76 international top design awards last year. And one thing I would like to mention with you guys is about we won Best Red Dot Design Award, which is the top 1% of the Red Design Awards. And our Nature Mini Series is the only product on that award in that category. And also we got recognitions from the IF Design, Good Design, as well as the CS Innovation Award. This proves that the design team and our products, the design of our products has been improved by the worldwide design leaders. Also, our award-winning Nature series on the major update in last year. Start from the 4-inch Nature Mini series. We provided a Pro version last year. The Pro version of the Nature Mini had 3 times faster compared with the previous version. And also, we are the only company using the Linux as the operating system to provide a GUI interface for the home interactive devices. And also, we launched the Nature Mini L series, which is the industry-only product for 4.5-inch to meet the 120 international standards. Our major products, Nature 7 got the Pro version last year as well. We support Android 11, we use the new chipset. We support the products has running 4 times faster compared with the previous version. Adding together with our flagship products, the 10-inch Nature, we have the full spec of the Nature home interactive products to fulfill our customer needs on a global basis. The customers from worldwide love to use our Nature products to decorate their home and also enjoy the benefits of the smart home experience. Besides the fundings, progress being made, the products innovations, we're also doing very well in the market side. We're doing pretty well in China. As you guys may know, in China alone, last year, 10 million new built apartments has been delivered, and a large amount of the new builds will pre-install with the smart home solution. And LifeSmart is part of the game, and we work with the leading high-end real estate builder like China Overseas Group, New World China, to provide the smart home ready apartments in the China market. We also work with the leading technology companies to provide the smart office solutions as well. We work with Alibaba and ByteDance to provide smart office solutions to help them to improve their working efficiency and also pursue the energy saving purpose. One thing I want to I want to emphasize is we are the only smart home vendor to support the Beijing Winter Olympic Games. In the Winter Olympic Village, the worldwide athletes comes in to enjoy the benefits of the smart home provided by LifeSmart. This is truly for the companies that once in a lifetime experience. We are able to support Beijing Winter Olympic Games, to provide the solutions in the village for the worldwide athletes. Within the Beijing Winter Olympic villages, we provide smart lightings to provide the right light management just to fit the athletes' needs. We provide the environmental management, energy management to provide the right temperature, humidity, and air quality. And in the same time, we perform the energy saving purpose as well. Besides China, we're doing pretty well on a global basis. We help our customers around the world to increase their values, from Asia to Middle East to Europe to American products, but as well as the smart home solutions. In Thailand, we work very closely with our local partners to provide the smart home ready products in the Thailand market, especially in Bangkok. If you go to Bangkok, you buy new apartments in the city center, most likely this apartment will be smart home ready and with the LifeSmart support. We also provide the alarm solutions, home security solutions across US, UK, and the Middle East. One case I want to share with you guys about we support Huawei to provide efficient, convenient, and energy-saving offices in Southeast Asia. We provide smart office solutions in the capital city of Indonesia, Jakarta. In that place, thousands of Huawei employees to enjoy the smart meeting rooms, smart working areas, to improve their working efficiency despite the pandemic impact. They don't really have to worry a lot about the daily management of the office facilities. The AI and the smart home solutions will provide the right behaviors to help them to live in the right working atmosphere. Now, one more thing I would like to share with you guys. We are Metro ready. LifeSmart has officially become a member of the CSA, and our products can seamlessly work with the Apple, Google, and the other Metro-ready products. We will help our customers to have a more flexible choice when they buy the new smart home products. Last year, we made a major progress. Our business has been doubled. We made major updates for our flagship product Nation series, and we won a lot of design awards, especially the best for Red Dot, and also we got a Series C funding support. And this year we will continue to provide better products and services for our customers. LifeSmart team, we are trying everything we can to fulfill our dreams to make every home as a smart home and our office as a smart office. Today, we are going to share with you guys a lot of new innovations and products to help you guys to create values for customers worldwide. Here we have Grace for the detail. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Denny. Now I'm going to talk about today's superstar, our special and important LifeSmart product series, the DEFED Alarm Kit. Break-ins and burglaries are the most worrisome type of property and violent crime worldwide. According to the newest FBI statistics, a burglary strikes every 30 seconds in the US. The average loss from a burglary is $3,000. And in addition to their monetary cost, burglaries also take a big emotional toll. According to a survey of people who have experienced a burglary, 67% said their emotional and mental health was affected, and 63% had trouble sleeping afterwards. But despite a high level of concern, only 25% of Americans have installed home security systems to protect their property and loved ones, while others are still seeking suitable products to deter burglars. While most wireless alarm products have common disadvantages like fickle, dumb, block, fixed, and amateur. Fickle means the alarm devices cannot work once the power is cut, and some have unstable signal and connecting problems. Dumb can be seen in unsmart test methods, especially in an empty new house that a network wire has not reached. And worse, most alarm systems support only one protocol and block others, so other devices of other protocols cannot be used anymore. And most alarm systems are generally hard to install, especially after a house has been decorated. Amateur means some alarm devices can be easily removed by attackers, which is a failure of the security alarm kit. And last but not least, some alarm kits are not good looking and hard to suit a modern home. Based on these circumstances, our R&D team, whose technical background is in smart homes, communication technology, and professional security systems, and our design team that has won a wide variety of international design awards, were able to set out with great confidence to develop the DEFED alarm kit. I believe after this special event, DEFED will become your #1 choice in security alarm kits. Now, I would like to present our latest product launch, DEFED. The DEFED series is designed to be an easy and smart wireless alarm system. Today we will start with the entry-level kit. It contains a smart station, we usually call it the hub or gateway, a door window sensor, a motion sensor, and an indoor siren and fog key. As we know, for alarm systems, stability is the most important aspect of performance. Alarm signals must never be dropped. For this, our extraordinary R&D team, most of them come from UT-STARCOM, developed COS, a carrier transmission level-based wireless communication protocol. COS has been used in wireless smart home industry for over 10 years. Wireless communication under COS has up to 800 meters transmission range, with instantaneous operating power as low as 0.01 milliwatts, comparable to less than 1,000th of the radiation emitted by mobile phones. AES encryption provides stability and data security, with 16-byte random code signature for transmission and receiver signals, preventing recording and replay attacks, and independent keys and codes for every unit, preventing fainting attacks. COS is therefore also suitable for enterprise applications, including in industries with extremely high security requirements. A two-way communication mechanism ensures the alarm signal is never lost. When there is a door opening motion, the sensor sends a signal to the smart station. In case of signal interception, this won't be received. But a few seconds later, the sensor will send the alarm event again and won't stop until the smart station sends a feedback signal in return. Only after the sensor receives the feedback signal will the report close. Now, let's view this alarm kit one by one. DEFED Smart Station is the gateway and the information center for DEFED security system. It connects all other devices and leads them to guard your home. This wireless smart station, as well as other DEFED devices, supports temporary protection. Once removed by third parties, it will alarm. The smart station is the first 4G and 5G enabled gateway on the market. If your router supports 5G, the smart station can use it to connect for faster signal transmission. And because of this module, the smart station and DEFED will still work even without Wi-Fi or Ethernet. We also offer additional solutions supporting different power supply situations, including PoE and 12V DC, as well as the backup battery. PoE technology in particular, can greatly reduce the wiring costs of the alarm system. Since power cuts are a frequent occurrence in some regions, we apply the standard 18650 battery, the same battery as Tesla. And one battery allows the alarm station to work another 18 hours. And here I want to share a little story. Last month, one of our clients wanted to DIY his RV to a smart RV and searched a lot of smart solutions on the market, but none of them met his demands for network and power environment. So the long-lasting battery is demanded. And I told him what we have now and sent him the DEFED alarm kit, which perfectly meets his demands. Another important thing we are concerned about is protocol. Nowadays on the market, if you choose a gateway, you choose a protocol. And you can never use other devices with different protocols, but DEFED is totally different. The multiple module slots left free in the DEFED alarm station allows its IoT gateway to support the most protocols in the world. COS, Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi 2, 3, 4, and 5G, Bluetooth, Matter can all be used together, allowing a single hub to connect to and manage almost any IoT sub-device available. Modules can be removed and replaced flexibly and coexist simultaneously. This will give you a 24/7 protection. DEFED Smart Station has a long-distance signal transport distance via COS. Other devices still receive its signal even at 500 meters away. But the space here is limited. So my colleagues will show you this feature outside. And here we can have a look. Hi Blaine, you can show us the long transport distance of DEFED Smart Station.
Sure. Now we will do a test about how long the sub-devices can transfer its signal. Here we can see our DEFED alarm station and DEFED indoor siren and DEFED fault remote. Later, we will leave the DEFED alarm station here, and then we will take away the sub-devices like this DEFED fault remote and our indoor siren. If I trigger the alarm mode in the remote and the siren can ring, it means the remote have transferred its signal to the DEFED alarm station, and the DEFED alarm station issue the order to the indoor siren to make it ring. So now let's do a little test. Okay, so let's disalarm it. Okay, so let's go. Let's leave the DEFED alarm station here and we take away the sub-devices. We can also enjoy the beautiful view in our city, Hangzhou. Okay, we are right to the destination. Okay, now we have reached 500. Okay. Okay, now let's try again. If the remote can make the siren ring, it means the remote have transferred the smart station there, and the smart station transfer its signal to the siren here. Because we know some devices cannot transfer the signal between them. So let's try. Okay, we make it. So it means the sub-devices, the remote can transfer the signal up to 500. That's all. Thank you.
It's awesome. Thank you, Blaine. Now let's move on. The DEFED Smart Station provides a gateway unlike any other hub. The LED indicator on its front panel displays different lights indicating normal operation and abnormal conditions, such as network disconnection, alarm, loss of sub-devices, etc., helping users make intuitive judgments. Even elderly people and little children who aren't used to using mobile phones will have no problem understanding what is happening via the LED indicator. Another important thing I have to say is DEFED Smart Station is really easy to install and will not occupy any of your desk space. All units of DEFED Smart Center are made of steady and reliable materials and components. Its remote OTA update program can be used to update your smart alarm system to new and latest features. It is a smart alarm gateway with over 10 years of service life. The DEFED door window sensor is an opening contact sensor with a narrow form factor, applicable to any door or window. Its built-in temperature sensor also can provide users with information on their room's environment. The door window sensor meets the requirements of both smart homes and professional alarm systems. As I mentioned before, it can be used to trigger a welcome home scenario, automatically lighting rooms when you return home during certain periods. Also, as a professional wireless security alarm device, it supports intrusion protection and tamper detection to achieve normal alarm features. A hardware-enabled switch for safer and more convenient usage. An NC interface for traditional sensor extension. A standard CR123A battery power supply, and a local alarm indicator light directly displaying sensor status. Due to its narrow form factor, this sensor is not only compatible with doors and windows as little as 2 centimeters in width, with a magnet only 1 centimeter wide. It can be used for any drawers or cabinets. So, DEFED door window sensor can prevent important or dangerous cabinets from handling or removal by children or pets. Together with LifeSmart AI Builder, it can send a closing reminder to you as the window is open before you leave home every day. No matter if it's windy or rainy, there's no need to worry about any damage or loss in your room. With DEFED door window sensor, you can remotely monitor to keep the elderly, children, or pets safe from danger in your home. Keep your family members safe. And here I can show you what happened if your door is open. In most other wireless systems, hardware limitations imply that only gateways can support remote OTA upgrades. But since DEFED sub-devices use the latest high-performance chips, the door window sensor can be upgraded to support new functions, operating for over 10 years with the factory default battery. The DEFED motion sensor uses passive infrared sensoring technology, with the sensor combined with a temperature sensing element for improved detection accuracy at high temperatures. Its 3 adjustable sensitivity levels correspond to different detection distances. At the highest sensitivity, the maximum detection distance is up to 15 meters. It supports tamper protection. Once removed by attackers, it will send signals to make the alarm. And here I can show you this. Like the door sensor, the motion sensor is also designed with a hardware-enabling switch for safer, more convenient use. A standard CR123A battery supplying over 7 years power and a local alarm indicator light displays sensor status directly. So, if an intruder comes, it will send alarm notifications to you via LifeSmart when someone intrudes illegally. And the DEFED siren working in the alarm system will produce sound alarm to deter the intruder. Besides, you can set the smart scenes for DEFED motion sensor to automatically light up when you get up at night. Besides, the specially designed mounting bracket permits installation of the DEFED motion sensor on flat walls or in corners where it can cover square spaces more efficiently. It can be wall mounted or just used in plug and play mode on a desk. The DEFED indoor siren is the alarm system's sound notification device. When an alarm is triggered, it will produce a loud warning tone. According to the European EN 50131 certification requirements for intrusion alarm systems, at 1 meter from the device, the maximum alarm volume is 105 decibels. If you feel this is too loud, you can choose a lower decibel option. Like the door sensor, the indoor siren is also designed with a hardware-enabled switch for safer, more convenient use, an NC interface for external LED alarm indicator connection, a standard CR123A battery providing over 5 years power supply, and the same local alarm indicator light, which flashes red during alarms. We think it is the smart homes field's most professional siren, with industrial design that leads the intrusion alarm field. Now I will show you the last product in the DEFED kit, the DEFED key fob. It's a convenient portable controller for the alarm system, supporting 4 specialized modes: arm, disarm, home, SOS for the smart intrusion alarm system by default. It requires no complicated configuration and works right out of the box. The key fob's buttons can also be defined to trigger smart home scenarios like welcome home and good night, etc. It can trigger a siren directly like this. See? And if you're in an emergency, you can press the SOS button so others in your block will know. With 4 green LED indicators and 1 green-red LED indicator, it can also display real-time instruction feedback. We have already gone through the whole DEFED alarm kit. Let's have a little review. For DEFED devices, there are some extraordinarily common features that you must know. That is ultra-low battery consumption, support HomeKit, and you can connect with other devices to achieve smart scenes. The ultra-low battery consumption can be seen through the battery life of every device. After our strict tests, the window door sensor and the key fob have a battery life of up to 10 years. The door sensor can work for 7 years with 1 battery, and the siren has a battery life of 5 years. This ultra-low battery consumption feature means that once the DEFED alarm kit is installed, you can leave it working alone and you don't need to maintain it day after day. For large projects, this is very important, for it can avoid the battery problem when delivered. They work with Apple HomeKit when added to the Smart Station. The Home app will notify you when the door sensor is closed or open. On that basis, you can set scenes to be triggered by the door switch. This leads to the third features. These devices can achieve smart scenes together with our devices. For example, you can set smart scenes for DEFED door window sensors to automatically light up when you come back home during certain periods. And if you want, you can connect our DEFED to other cameras, door locks, air conditioning systems, and other smart devices to serve you better. These 3 features are common features of our DEFED door window sensor, motion sensor, and siren. And now I'm going to show you a short video to help you understand our DEFED.
With DEFED of LifeSmart, security can be smart. The DEFED alarm key is industry-leading security equipment fitted into your smart home system. The smart station used as an information center to connect all other devices. As soon as an attacker opens the door, The sensor will detect it and send the signal to the smart station, then the siren, and the user will know. If you are home, you can apply the siren mode, so your motion will not trigger the alarm siren. DEFED Smart Station is the first 4G, 5G-enabled gateway with the same battery as Tesla, making the alarm system work for another 18 hours even without power or network. And the smart station supports the most protocols in the market and our self-developed COTS protocols, which is welcomed for its stable connections, ultra power saving, and strong wide coverage signal. At the same time, DEFED sensors support HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistants, so you can DIY to connect the sensors with your camera, light, shading, HVAC system, making your home suit you better. Choose DEFED, making your home a safe and smart home.
That's all about our DEFED alarm kit, and I can say it's the smartest alarm kit on the market because it can connect to all kinds of smart things that exist in your home automation system. And now I want to introduce more about how to make your home a smart home. The best choice is LifeSmart. With LifeSmart, you can have your best home in only 3 steps. The first is to get a smart station. The second is to choose a smart interaction entrance. And the last is to choose smart systems you want. These 3 steps can easily make your home a smart home. And here is a product category of LifeSmart, divided as the equal in the former page. We've got 1 smart station, 2 smart interaction entrances, and 6 smart systems. With this 1 + 2 + 6 category, you can have numerous smart scenes. Smart station is usually a gateway, like a DEFED smart station. And smart interaction entrance means how we control the whole home automation system. Here we have 2 types of smart interaction entrances, but actually under these 2 types of entrances we can enjoy multi-dimensional interaction experiences, like natural interaction, voice control, which means you can control the whole system by voice. Some of our touch panels have this function, and of course, you can connect a third-party voice system like Google Assistant, Siri, and so on to control. Then you can control through multi-touch interaction with our Nature series. Of course, you can control through your phone with LifeSmart app, which is easy and effective. Apart from this, you can also control through physical keys in this picture. It's Nature 7 Pro with 4 physical buttons. You can set a scenario and design it to one of those buttons. Then, once you press the button, you will get all you want with only 1 press. Then, I want to show you 6 smart systems. The first one is smart lighting, including smart switches and lights. Then the home security. It includes the DEFED alarm kit, the door lock, indoor camera, and outdoor camera, water leak sensor, environmental sensor, and so on. As for smart shading, we have motors suited to all kinds of curtains or blinds, and we will release more in the upcoming season. Next is the smart thermostat system. It can control your air conditioning system. And in energy management, we have a converter and 6 smart plugs, which are easy to pair, support plug and play, remote control, energy consumption, monitoring, and timer switch. They are equipped with safety housing made of flame retardant material. The last is smart entertainment. We have a Spot and Spot Mini. They can control any infrared equipment such as the TV, air conditioner, fan, and set-top box. You can realize intelligent control and multi-scene intelligent linkage of various electrical appliances in your home through Spot. Now, since we already know the 1 + 2 + 6 models, we can have a try, assuming when you come home, you want your curtain, lights, and TV to switch on automatically. What should you choose? Yes, first you should choose the smart station, and then a touch panel, and a door lock, a smart shading monitor, and a spot. Then connect them together. You've made it. It's just so easy to install and apply. Then, I want to stress again, LifeSmart supports most protocols on the market: COS, Z-Wave, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, 5G, Matter, and Bluetooth, which means you can connect all different devices in your home automation. And thus, we've got a very large ecosystem. We support a lot of third-party applications like Google Assistant, HomeKit, and Alexa, and support many third-party wireless hardware and voice systems. This open system can suit any of your needs to make your home a smart home. By far, on the basis of our ecosystem, we have already applied 3 successful smart solutions, which are Smart Resident, Smart Hotel, and Smart Office. Here are some of our project images. We take the development and launch of every LifeSmart product, including the DEFED series, very seriously. Building on existing smart home products, our product team and R&D team have performed exacting market research and continuously improved and refined DEFED in various respects, reflecting this information in our endeavour to perfect it. And as I said in the beginning of this event, we hope that after this launch, when choosing the first security kit for your house, DEFED will be your #1 choice. In fact, we have a bigger goal. In the near future, we will be releasing other DEFED series products, including a smoke sensor, to further upgrade and improve your home security, and hope that with smart experience, stable performance, and exquisite design, and continuous improvement, DEFED will be the last security system your home ever needs, never requiring replacement. We have come to the end of this special event. I would like to thank all of our partners, distributors, and end users. Together, we will make every home a smart home and a safe home. Thank you for your participation in our online event. We will draw 3 lucky customers at random from those who have watched the live show and left messages in the chat room. The lucky ones will get a full set of DEFED kits for free. Please be aware that we may get in touch with you via email or YouTube message.